Good day everyone, this is Ian Sebastian Lance, your student nurse from Emilio Aguinaldo Colleges. So, for today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly perform the bag technique. But before we start with the demonstration, let me first explain what bag technique is, its purpose, and the materials you need to place inside the nursing bag.
Bag technique is a systematic method used by community and public health nurses during home visits. Its main purpose is to help us provide safe and effective care while reducing the risk of spreading infection between the patient and their environment. It also ensures that our equipment stays clean and that quality care is maintained in home-based settings.
Upon arrival at the client's home, first you greet the family politely and introduce yourself as a student nurse. Next is assess the client needs and establish a rapport with the family members in order to promote cooperation. Following, identify the client and explain the purpose of your visit and the procedure you will perform. And lastly, take the client's history as part of your assessment. Also, ask the client if they have a flat surface such as a table or a box, and if none is available, you may use the floor in a proper position. Before placing the bag, spread a paper lining first, followed by a plastic lining. This is to prevent a contamination of the nursing bag. So, place the bag on the left side of the barrier with the obi bag strap underneath. Good day po mga makabasa lang sa Sebastian Lance, a student nurse po galing pong Emilio Aguinaldo Colleges. And ngayon po, magkoconduct po ako ng home visit at bag technique po. Pero bago po muna yan, ay i-assess ko muna po kayo at kukunin po ang inyong history. Okay lang po ba yun sa inyo po? Okay po ma'am, thank you po. Bago po tayo magsimula, nais ko lang po itanong kung meron po ba kayong mga flat surface or mga table or benches dyan po sa bahay niyo na pwede ko pong mapagpatungan? Okay po ma'am, thank you po.
After that, I place a clean barrier or lining to set my bag on my left side and keep the straps tucked under to avoid contamination. After that, I open the bag and take out the soap dish, and hand towel. I close the bag right away to prevent unnecessary exposure. I then wash my hands thoroughly following the proper hand washing procedure. With clean hands, I open the bag and take out my apron, which I wear to protect my uniform from contamination. I only get the supplies that I need for the specific procedure to minimize clutter and the risk of contamination. For this demonstration, I'll be showing the Benedict's test. I prepare all the needed materials and set up a proper waste container nearby and close the bag again to keep the other items protected. Once finished, I disinfect the reusable instruments by wiping them with cotton balls soaked in 70% alcohol, place them on the clean lining to dry and then return them to the bag properly. After the procedure, I perform hand hygiene again and apply alcohol. I carefully remove my apron, fold it with a clean side out, and place it in a plastic bag for proper cleaning or disposal later. Finally, I document all the important details of the visit, such as my observations, procedures done, and the care given. Before leaving, I remind the client of the schedule for the next visit. Then that concludes my demonstration of the bag technique. Thank you for watching.